guys, here today we're here to review the Porsche 911 Carrera T in Python Green. This is the newest, purest 911 in the Porsche family, in the 911 lineup.
T, cute. I've got 4.
The 911T is based on the Carrera platform.
This issue is sponsored by the latest Duck&Whale magazine, issue 21. See the link below.
It fits in between the Carrera and the Carrera S. It uses the 3-litre twin-turbo flat-6 Carrera engine, lightweight, compared to the heavier Carrera S engine. The new Porsche Carrera T comes standard with a 7-speed manual gearbox. The PDK is a no-cost option. It's 0 to 100 in 4.5 seconds. It's got 385 horsepower, 450 newton meters of torque. Can I help you, mate?
How much is it? What do you reckon? I'd take it. Take it now.
Not for sale, mate. We're doing a story on it.
Oh, yeah, okay, well...
You go to a Porsche centre, buddy. That's where they sell the cars, you know, in the Porsche, it says Porsche on the outside of the building.
Oh, I thought we could just do it on, like, Marketplace or something. What do you reckon?
It's not car sales, buddy.
Oh, yeah, all right. Too easy, too. No worries.
T features 20 and 21-inch wheels in titanium grey. Come and have a look at the interior. Customers can choose the optional Carrera T interior package for additional customization.
Hey mate, how you going?
Yeah mate, just doing a video mate.
Oh okay. Mind if I sit in it?
Yeah sure.
Thanks mate. I really like Porsches.
Yeah.
Is that your wallet?
Yeah mate. Yeah, that's my wallet.
Nice.
And the key. Can I just have the key, mate?
Yeah. And the key? Where?
Thanks, buddy. What do you think of it?
Yeah, it's nice. Nice, bro. Nice. Must have cost you a packet, eh?
It has the Carrera S wheels, 10mm lower PASM suspension. The car weighs just 1,470 kilograms, making it the lightest 911 with the entry-level engine. Porsche has modified a Carrera for the people that want something a little bit different. If you had a Carrera, you'd potentially put some different wheels on it anyway. Like what do people do these days? They put wheels on, they black things out. But this is factory. And it feels very cohesive. The weight saving is minimal, like, for example, if you take our test car, all the weight saving is in the deletion of the rear back seats and the PDK. So if you're taking the manual and take the rear back seats out, which are very handy, that's the 30 kilos. And maybe there's 5 kilos in the, maybe 4 in the insulation. Don't quote me on that. It's just a guess, but definitely the sound is worth it with the less insulation. It's not mad where there's sound at you and vibrations and noise and harshness and fail. It's actually quite nice. It rides like a Porsche. It takes care of you anyway, so you don't need to feel like you're driving a Rolls Royce. It's a beautiful car. And in this Python green, it's stunning. Everyone comments on the color. It's a good choice. We were out driving the car yesterday. Shooting some video, and we had a chance to launch test the car. We were both very surprised by how hard it hooked up. So don't feel like you're being shortchanged by the 3-litre Carrera engine, twin turbo, flat 6. There's plenty of go in this car. It just handles beautifully. It's a nice little package. I'm very impressed. I don't really have a bad thing to say about it. Yes, it's not a GT3. You can get faster, you can get harder. But sometimes the sweet spot is not in the high end. I'm not saying this is better than a GT3. It just kind of depends your use case. If you're not doing a lot of track stuff and you're just like a lovely car to drive around in on the street, that's sporty. It's sporty, you can hear it. It's still the 911 concept. It's still a flat 6. Yes, twin turbo. This one does not have the manual, but it does have Porsche's extremely capable PDK. If you want this as an everyday car with a sporty edge, it's a great thing.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. Jump onto the website and check out our magazine. Beautiful bespoke print magazine. If you just want to check out some amazing photography, check out our Instagram. Thanks for following along. We really appreciate the support. I'm Lee from Duck&Whale. We'll see you next time.